In this vlog you're about to see, you will follow David and me where we go out and buy a PowerMac G3. Now it shouldn't just be a crappy vlog only, it should also hopefully answer some questions. Because I get the question a lot when I show you an old Mac or something, or buy an old Mac, that you always keep asking me, where do I get it? Or can you send me a link? Or did you buy it from eBay and stuff? The problem is I can never really send you anything useful, because it is that I buy these Macs 99% on a website that is utterly useless to almost everybody of you. Now on this website you can buy and sell pretty much anything, and that's where I get most of my computers. I would usually just do it this way. You will see it. Just, email the guy, call the guy up, drive to him, or sometimes we would meet up halfway or something, and buy the computer and be done with it. Just easy, private sale, nothing incredible. Usually I want to avoid shipping because it would cost so much, and if it's like from really far away and I really want the product, then yes, but mostly it works this way. We'll see. So I hope I can answer your question, and maybe you can also get some enjoyment out of this vlog. So today is the day where I will pick up a PowerMac G3, and there are people coming. Let him pass, let him pass. Alright, they're gone. Now I can continue filming.
Welcome.
It's fucking intros.
It's fucking
The worst thing about making a YouTube video is the intro.
Oh yes.
Or don't you think?
Yes.
Well, now that we got this out of the way,
Yes.
we will pick up a PowerMac G3.
Yes, finally.
Yes, I always wanted one of those, but these are sort of hard to get. I don't know how it is outside Austria, but right now in Austria there are 2 for sale in the entire country,
And we got the one.
and one we will pick up today.
Yeah, and hopefully it's not like some scam.
We will see. We'll drive to Carinthia,
Corinthia, yes.
and it should be a 2.5 hour drive.
Yeah.
We'll go to Velden am Wörthersee.
Of course, you all know it. A field, letter C. Letter,
Word Lake.
Lake.
But you actually might know the Wörthersee.
Yeah, you might.
It's supposed to be beautiful.
Yes.
I've only driven by, so I've never been there.
A lot of advanced words in it.
Yep.
It's beautiful.
And we will meet the guy there.
Yes.
He didn't want to tell us his address.
Yeah, well, understandably.
Yeah, it's understandable, yeah. So we will meet this guy in Velden Ost. And then we'll buy it, and then we'll just go to Velden and look at the city, or is it a city? I don't know.
I have no idea, to be honest.
I've never been there really.
Yeah.
And then we'll go home.
Yeah, so that's our vlog. Yes, a vlog.
Yeah, I mean, I wanted actually to start a vlog before you got in, but I just couldn't do it. There were so many people.
It was too cringe.
I had to cringe so much. I couldn't do it, really.
I understand that.
So yeah, what basically we'll do is we will see 2 capitals of Austria.
Oh, holy
today.
shit.
We'll first go to
Klagenfurt.
Well, actually, first we're gonna go to Graz, and then we'll go to Klagenfurt. And from there on, to Velden. Drive around the lake.
Yes.
So yeah.
So yeah, you'll be here for the ride. So yeah, see you then.
See ya.
We are in the Dunkel.
We are in the Dunkel. How do you say in English?
Tunnel.
Tunnel? Oh yeah, tunnel.
Tunnel, yeah.
So yeah, the tunnel is about to end.
Yeah, you'll see that.
In around
40 maybe now, 30.
30 kilometers we'll be in Klagenfurt. So yeah, we are in Carinthia.
Yes, we enjoy the beautiful landscape of Corinthia.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see it.
The weather is kind of weird. Sometimes it would be nice, sun shining, then there would be a lot of fog that you can't even see anything, and now it's like this.
Yeah.
It's meh, but it isn't raining, that's good.
That's good, yeah.
So when will we arrive? Well, I really don't know exactly how long you drive from
Yeah. But we'll see.
So I think we'll make an update when you see that Wörder say.
Yeah, the word says
Red Lake.
the Red Lake, yeah. New Intel CPUs. Yeah, so yeah, till then.
All right.
Yeah, well.
We arrived in Velden.
Yes, we did.
At the Lidl. There you go. And we just met the guy.
Yes.
He seemed a little shady. But he was like, oh, I need to get it. Yeah, I mean,
Why didn't you just bring it in the first place?
it's not like it's a supercomputer from the NASA.
Yeah. Second of all, we're late, so
We were actually just 8 minutes late, mate.
yeah, that's
and,
great.
And it's great. So, yeah, he said he was gonna get it, and there's another police.
What's wrong?
Freaking police. We are afraid that the police will arrest us for filming.
By the way, you can show the people the word to say.
Oh yeah, the little bit of it. There you go. That's the word to say. The amazing Lidl.
Sponsored by Lidl.
So yeah, we are waiting.
Yeah, we're waiting to
And
see what
so-
happens, right? Maybe he kills us, I don't know.
I think he's more afraid of us than.
Do you think?
Yep. Whatever. Maybe he will become back.
Hopefully at least.
So
Right.
we have it.
Yes.
You didn't see it yet.
No.
We have it.
You will.
Yep. The guy was a little funny as we told you before. It was like, I'm gonna need to get it. And we were like, okay. But yeah, he got it, and he was back in quite fast.
Yeah.
And I managed to talk him down to 25. So we bought it for $25.
Really nice deal.
Yep, sure.
Yeah.
He said there's no operating system on it. We can't fix that.
No, we
We
can't.
never do stuff like that.
No, never.
So yeah, now we'll go to Velden
Yes.
and maybe we'll show it.
Yeah, so yeah.
The whole point of this video.
Yeah, of course.
So yeah, let's go get to eat.
Yeah.
That is.
Let's go get to it. Let's get something to eat, right?
Let's go get to it.
Let's go to it. There it is. The Word Lake.
Yep.
Word Lake, yes, so there you go.
Wow, very nice.
Yeah, very nice.
Very
Wow,
nice.
yeah.
We're now on the hunt for parking. It's not that easy.
Yes, it's not that easy, no?
Wait, mate. Is that a one way?
Oh shit.
It is, yes.
Yep, mine.
Where are we gonna? Where will we go when this is
Yeah, well, you'll see, so yeah.
Ogris am See?
There you go. Sponsored by Ogris. Those Ogris.
There it is.
There it is.
A G3 PowerMac.
Yes, even with the dust.
With the keyboard.
Yes, looking
No
very
mouse,
nice.
but I don't really miss it.
No,
Maybe you can take this for
of course.
because
Yes. There you go. There, G3 even says it there.
Yep. Let's see if it has even components.
Yeah, I can see this. Yes.
That's looking good.
Yeah.
Needs a clean, but
Yeah,
it's
obviously.
normal. Original hard drive.
Yes.
Yeah, has CMOS.
Probably won't work.
No, for sure not. So void warranty if it's broken. Well, so we still have warranty.
Obviously.
Yeah, man, look at that fan. Holy shit,
Oh,
that's dusty.
God.
That's tasty. All right, guys. We don't know if it really works, but if not, well, $25 is still not a bad deal.
Yeah.
And I think it's gonna work.
Yes.
There's a guy behind us, right? There's a bus driver and he's looking at us. And
No.
that's
Yes, it actually is.
and yeah. So PowerMac.
Yeah.
What is he still looking?
What is this third one?
What
You
is
see
this?
what I mean?
It's a little wet.
Yeah. Oh, that's
it-
not good though.
It needs a maybe it was like in a flooded basement.
It doesn't show anything.
Whatever.
Yeah.
It was my risk anyway.
Yeah.
So that's the PowerMac.
Yeah,
Now we're
so-
gonna get something to eat and then yeah.
We'll see. No way. Yeah. Well, oh God. Well, there we go, guys. It's night.
Yeah, it's 18:03.
Yes.
And where are we?
In silent Austria.
Oh no, there's another tunnel.
Oh no.
So we just had the debate debate,
Debate,
but
man.
it wasn't the last time. This is probably the last.
Yes.
Why is the middle one blinking? Oh, it stopped.
You guys don't know what we're talking those ones. Why am I showing this?
I don't know.
Well, I don't know.
So
Yeah, so-
I don't know how long we will still drive. 52 kilometers to Graz. So,
It will be quite a bit then.
so yeah, still an hour probably.
Yeah. So yeah,
We made the deal, and
as you saw already,
now we're heading back. And
yeah, we'll go to the thank you
yes, once again.
once again. So we will do that.
Yep.
Yeah, now it's really silent, Austria.
Yeah. Very creepy.
Really creepy.
These tail lights from the car look like two eyes that will kill us.
Yeah. Why? What are we even doing?
I don't know.
Alright, mate.
We'll
So
drive back and then
yeah, we'll see you later, mate.
yeah, mate.
Well, this is how we drive.
Yep. Not random at all.
No, not at all.
Totally normal.
Yes, indeed. So it's still night.
Yeah, could
We
have
are-
guessed.
Yeah. we are now. We were at the thank you
Yeah, we were there for only 3.5 hours.
every time.
Why does it always happen to
I
us?
don't know. There's a lot to talk to and great music to listen to.
Yep, 80s.
Yes.
So yeah, that's the road trip to
Yes.
Carinthia, to
Yeah.
the Wörthersee,
To Felden.
to Felden.
Yes.
Bought a nice PowerMac. You will not see any videos with it ever.
No, for sure not.
No, but it really needs to be restored. It's in really shit condition.
Which probably already will be a video in itself.
Probably.
If you have to set up an OS, maybe.
Then you will see us together for sure.
Yeah, and if not, we will do this one thing we wanted to do, right? With
Yeah.
the beta.
The beta. I have
beta.
the data for the beta. And so, yeah, you wanted it and you will get it. So
Yes.
thank you for watching this
Yes.
shit again.
Yes.
Why do you do this?
I don't know. You wanted a vlog, so yeah, deal with it.